Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a demo of a program that I created as a submission for the CS50 Python's final project. It is called SAKUSAYA-CLI. In short, it is a software with a simple command line interface to manage your income, expenses, and savings. And how does this program works, you might ask? And here I'm going to show you. This is how the program will look like when first launched. It will show you the total amount of money, your savings, income, and expenses. And suppose I want to insert a new income data. I just got paid from my job, and suppose I just got $1,000. I entered $1,000 and confirm yes, and voila, now my total amount of money is $1,000. And then suppose I had to pay my rent of $500. Enter 500 here and enter. And now my remaining amount of money is $500. Other than managing your income and expenses, you can also manage your savings here by choosing deposit or withdraw. Suppose I want to save $100 of my money. Now my savings is $100. And suppose I want to take $50 from my saving. I can choose withdraw. And now my savings is $50. We can also view history here and see our transaction records, and we can filter history by type. Suppose I just want to see my expenses, and voila, now the table only shows my expenses. We can also reset the filter back to normal and then back to main menu. And lastly, we can reset data to permanently delete all the data and revert the software to its original state when it was first launched. And that is Sakusaya CLI. Thank you for watching.